Hi everyone, need to share your iPhone's internet with a friend or another device? No worries, I'll show you how to turn on your hotspot in just a few seconds. Let's go. First open settings on your iPhone. Next tap on personal hotspot. If you don't see it, go to cellular first and then find personal hotspot. Now switch on allow others to join. Use your Wi-Fi password. This is what others will need to connect. On the other device, open Wi-Fi settings, find your iPhone's hotspot name, enter the password and boom, you're connected. Want a quicker way? If both devices are signed into the same Apple ID, just turn on Bluetooth and personal hotspot. It will connect automatically. And that's it. You're now sharing the internet like a pro. If this video helped, give it a thumbs up and subscribe for more tech tips. See you in the next one and thank you for watching.